The name of Allah, the Merciful, the Magnificent. Assalamu alaikum viewers. You're watching English with Muhammad Rafi Chaudhry. Viewers, first year English new syllabus, unit number 3. A bird came down the walk, written by Emily Dickinson. In this video, we are going to discuss synonyms, text reading, and paraphrase. Synonyms of the poem A Bird Came Down the Walk. Convenient, nearby, accessible, hope, jump, leap, flight, seam, line, ridge, layer, glass, look, peep, glimpse, unroll, unfold, open, unfurl, rapid, swift, fast, quick, frightened, scared, afraid, alarmed, stir, move, shift, rose, cautious, careful, vigilant, watchful, flashless, soundless. Now, viewers, text reading and paraphrase of stanza number 1. Stanza number 1. A bird came down the walk. He did not know I saw. He bit an angleworm in halves and ate the fellow raw. Paraphrase stanza number 1. A bird came down the walk. He did not know that the poetess or the speaker had noticed him. He bit an earthworm in halves and ate its halves raw. Reading and paraphrase of stanza number 2. And then he drank a dew from a convenient grass, and then hopped sidewise to the wall to let a beetle pass. Paraphrase, he drank a dewdrop from a nearby blade of grass. Then he saw a beetle coming towards him. He hopped aside and let it pass. Stanza number 3, reading and paraphrase. He glanced with rapid eyes that hurried all around. They looked like frightened beads, I thought. He stirred his velvet hat. Paraphrase. He looked around quickly but carefully. The poetess or speaker guessed that his eyes looked like frightened beads. He also moved his velvet head. Reading and paraphrase stanza number 4. Like one in danger, cautious, I offered him a crumb, and he unrolled his feathers and rode him softer home. Paraphrase, he moved his head cautiously as if he were in danger. The poetess or speaker offered him a piece of bird, but he unrolled his wings and flew away silently. Reading and paraphrase of stanza number 5. Then oars divide the ocean, two silver for a seam, or butterflies of bank of noon leap flashless as they swim. Paraphrase stanza number 5. His flight was more soundless than the movement of oars when they divide the ocean with a silver line. It was even more soundless than the leaps of butterflies when at noon they flew. So viewers, this is all from my side. Keep watching my videos, share my channel. Allah Hafiz.